The United States turns 250 this year.
We've planned a celebration with a special surprise. Hi, it's Fran Morgan.
And Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe.
July 4th marks the 250th anniversary of the signing of the Declaration of Independence.
So we wanted to celebrate.
We've got some fantastic new red, white, and blue kits and an extra special deal.
We're going to tell you all about that deal, but first, let's take a look at our first quilt. This is our Patriotic Pride pattern. It has a large focus block, and you can use directional fabric in that area. You could also use 10-inch pre-cut squares in this spot. You would just have to trim them down a little. The secondary block combines a rail fence block along with a friendship star, and it gives you that wonderful stars and stripes look. The quilt measures 40 by 58. And if we put it on the table right now, we're going to show you new fabric. We wanted to really highlight the big block on our Patriotic Pride pattern. So we picked this great fabric with flags. Aren't those wonderful?
It's wonderful. I love it.
Yeah, they're all wavy and looking gorgeous. So we're going to put this in our focus square here. And then we've got two fabrics that are going to make up our stars and stripes. So I like this number 2. It has kind of that antique-y look to it.
It's really nice with our focus fabric. It keeps that softness because the whites in the focus fabric, they read as white when you look at it, but then whenever you put the fabric against it, it's a little bit softer.
Yes. Yeah. And a stark white down here would have it wouldn't have gone as well. So that works perfectly.
Perfect.
It's going to be all of the white stripes and the center of our star on our secondary block. And then for number 3, we have the same type of fabric with that kind of a scraped look to it so that it has dimension to those otherwise solid looking colors. And that's going to be in the background of our stars and also in our stripes.
I love the flag fabric in this.
It really does give it so much personality to do it that way.
And I like that we've kept our number 2 and 3 more textural because it really helps the stars pop.
Yes.
And I think that's important. So we've got our stars and then we have our flags there. I think it's great.
I think it is too. And because those friendship stars are a smaller dimension, they need that. They don't need something big in them. They need it to be really kind of that almost a solid look, but enough texture that you keep that interest.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay, now the kit information on this is Strength and Honor, and it's the Patriotic Pride pattern.
Now, Majestic can feature a full-size vertical panel or a very large fabric print right here in the middle. The quilt measures 46 inches by 57. And you know there's a minimal amount of half-square triangles bordering the quilt right here, which I think is really cool. The angle of our half-square triangles on the sides points towards the center of the quilt, drawing our eye to the fabric you want to show off right in the middle. The diamonds on the corners, as you can see here and here, they ground the border and it gives your eyes a place to rest. Now we've got a great patriotic panel for this quilt. Now what is more patriotic than a bald eagle?
Oh, so true.
It is such a symbol of our country and I really, really love this panel that we have. So for our focus fabric, our number 1 fabric is our panel. It's going to go in this big area where you see, and we have an image on the screen of what this panel looks like. It is gorgeous.
It is striking.
It is striking. Yeah. It really, really is. Very majestic, very patriotic. And
I like the way the wings are the flag.
I know. Isn't that cool?
That's a cool piece of art.
It really, really is. Now we've paired it with a number 2 fabric. We have a paisley here that's all made out of stars. And it really picks up the golds and the eagles, which I like. And that is going to go where you see this kind of gold color here. And then for our number 3, we have more stars. This is on the red, and we have our blue and our red and our off-white stars on this. I like these stars too because I think they look like they have a little dimension to them.
That's really a cool way to make those stars.
They've kind of drawn them so that it looks like they're popping off the surface of the fabric. These stars are going to go everywhere you see the green on this quilt. I like the way the stars have great contrast against our number 2 fabric. You can really see them sprinkled on the top and bottom and all the way around in our design. And that design just really helps you focus to the center.
It makes the perfect frame for that eagle.
It really does. And this eagle is gorgeous in this quilt. I like the way just a little bit of the panel peeks through with the stripes and the blue on the bottom. I
It
like
looks
that.
like you pieced a little bit more.
Yes, it does. So it's really, really fantastic. Let me get you the kit info on this. It is called Wings of Glory, and it's our Majestic pattern.
The waves pattern got its name because the blocks create this design that looks like a flag waving in the wind. The quilt measures 44 by 60. There are 2 blocks in this quilt, and they're made very similarly with half square triangles and squares. Some of the foundational piecing is rotated to create that waving effect. And there's very little amount of half square triangles in this quilt too. This pattern is perfect for small prints, and we're going to put it on the table and I'll show you. You know, the small prints really work well in this pattern because the piecing is made up of smaller pieces.
Oh, yeah.
And so a smaller print works perfectly. And the pattern has so much movement in it. Again, a smaller print is a little bit better because it makes it where you can really see the piecing.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like that.
Now, the number 1 fabric is this great star fabric, and I like it. It's little stars, but they're red, white, and blue, and there's even a lighter blue. And in the smaller pieces, I think it's going to look like a textured fabric, just like we like.
Sure.
Now, that's going to go everywhere you see the red in the quilt. And then our number 2 fabric is this creamy mottled fabric. And that is a really nice one for going in the number 2 position because it's going to create that backdrop so you can see that wavy look that we've created here. And you like that high contrast. And then the number 3, we've got some more stars, which creates the texture of the number 3 fabric. And it's going to go everywhere you see the blue right in here.
So cool. I like that.
I like the way it turned out. Isn't
Yeah, I mean, we're both like, ah!
You can really see that texture, and you can see the importance of the texture with those little stars. So it's sort of like they're standing in the background whispering.
Yes.
But it really looks nice.
They're
I
back
like
there
that.
twinkling, but I like it because you really can see that texture like you were saying. And that contrast is so important on this quilt, and it's beautiful with this fabric combination.
I just like this pattern. I love the movement in this pattern. You can almost see the ripples of the waves.
Yes, I like it.
But you know, we have a lot of patriotic patterns that work well with smaller prints. And I'd like to share a few more of those. Now, first we have Freedom. I've always been very partial to both of these quilts, but Freedom was one of those that I was really proud of when I finally got all those friendship stars to line up in the circle. And let me tell you, you're going to be surprised at how easy it is to put that one together.
And it looks great in these fabrics.
It does. And now look at Old Glory. Now it has blue and white stripes, and it has the stars with the blue in the center with that red background. I think it's kind of cool.
Very good. Very, very good. Now, 3-yard quilts are also very easy to personalize. Our kit has the blue stars in the number 1 position because it's the biggest print. But if you wanted to change it up and make your stripes red, all you have to do is swap positions 1 and 3. And it works. You just need to make sure that you cut everything we tell you from that one position from the fabric. We've got our Old Glory side by side with the blue in our number 1 position, and then another one with our red in the number 1 position. So you could go either way. I think they both look great.
I think it's one of the funnest parts of our patterns.
I agree.
That way you can kind of make it yours by easily switching those positions.
Yes, so you won't lose either way you go. They're both fantastic.
Now, the kit information on this one is Liberty Celebration, and it's the waves pattern from the Make It Patriotic book.
This is our Showstopper 2026 pattern. It combines 7 different blocks from several of our patterns. Now, we have a great tutorial where we step out how we designed this and give you tips on making the quilt. So if you're looking for a little extra help, then be sure to check that out. As you can see, this is a 5-yard quilt, so it's a nice, generous size of 46 by 67. Our blocks come together right here in the center, and it creates a show-stopping moment right in the middle, making it look like a star is bursting off the quilt. Now, what would this look like in patriotic fabric? Now, before we look at this fabric, we want to tell you about something very special we're doing for the 250th anniversary.
We've put together a patriotic pattern bundle, and it includes our Make It Patriotic book and 3 of our individual patterns.
You can get this bundle for only $25.99.
It's our 250th anniversary after all. It only made sense.
Now, this bundle will be available in both the physical and the digital forms.
And the deal runs from today until June 22.
So head on over to fabriccafe.com to get this great bundle. But before you do, let's take a look at this festive new patriotic fabric. We start off with our focus fabric, our #1 fabric with these blue, like firework burst.
Yes, I love that.
It is so good. This fabric is going to go in the big areas here where you see the bigger print.
Mm-hmm.
Then for our #2 fabric, we have a fun polka dot that's on a off-white, and it's red, white, and blue. Blue and red polka dots.
Those are all the little pieces of the fireworks when they fall out of formation.
Okay. The little bright spots.
Yes, yes.
So this fabric is going to go in the background here where you see this really light teal. Then we have a beautiful red. And this is
gorgeous
the
red.
perfect patriotic red. It's so nice and clear and yummy with just a little bit of texture to it.
Mm-hmm.
It is going to go everywhere you see the darker blue on this quilt here. Now for another fun one, our secondary focus, which is our #4 fabric. And I like this fabric because it kind of mimics our #1 with that burst of fireworks, but it has a little bit of blue stars all in there, just sprinkled.
Oh, that ties them
throughout.
together really
Yes.
nicely.
Now that is going to be here on our star in the very center, some little peekaboos in our corners here, and as well as a little bit on the border. And then we have our #5. And it's a beautiful light blue, which this is so pretty. It has that texture, and it really, really keeps the theme with the rest of the quilt. And it is going to go everywhere you see the darker teal on this quilt here. I love it. I really love it. The red plays such an important role framing that center, the very center star. And also I think it works really well on the border, on those border blocks.
This one kind of makes me think of a kaleidoscope.
It really does.
Because it's got that little spot, and then it just kind of branches out from there and gets bigger and bigger.
Burst into patriotism.
Yeah, I like that.
It's really, really pretty, and I think it turned out great. And I just love this pattern. So, all right, let me get you the kit information on this. It is called Firework Finale, and it is our Showstopper 2026.
This is our celebrations pattern, and it measures 40 by 58. And I think it really looks like a celebration because that secondary block looks like it's just a pinwheel blowing in the wind. This makes me think of the 4th of July picnics. And we use all 3 different fabrics in that pinwheel. So it really disperses the fabric nicely across the quilt, and it helps create the optical illusion of spinning. Our other block can use a large directional fabric. Let's check out the new fabric we have for this one. Now this is another of our patterns from our Make It Patriotic book, and it is included in that 250th anniversary bundle. Now the fabric for this is another spectacular patriotic fabric.
Yes.
So we have these great flags that are going to go in all of our focus blocks here. That's the #1 position. And then for our #2, I like this because it has little stars that are kind of surrounded by little dots, almost like they're kind of getting ready to burst like a fireworks.
Yeah.
And that's going to go everywhere you see the white in this quilt. So we've kind of made this a double focus.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So you've got these stars on that red background, and it's going to go everywhere that you see the red on the quilt, but it's going to really be the border, and I like prints in a border.
That is really nice. You know, I think it kind of has that vintage look with the colors that we've chosen, the darker reds, the nice beige in our #2 fabric.
Old world feel.
Yes,
Yeah.
and which I really kind of like. And sometimes I love them when they're real bright, but this one is just so perfect for
Well,
this
it's perfect
colorway.
for the 250th
Yes.
birthday or anniversary.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is Oh,
And I think our focus fabric with those flags give a lot of movement in those bigger blocks, which I like as well.
yes. It just looks like a party.
It looks like those little fireworks we used to put down and they went shh, shh, shh.
Oh, yeah, it does.
I don't know what they are, but they're those ones.
So if you have fireworks that go, you'll know what she's talking about. Okay, so this kit is called American Heartland, and it's the celebrations pattern from Make It Patriotic.
Our United pattern is a 1-block quilt. It has a nice big block in the middle. It has a little sneaky 4 patch right here on the corners that creates this little peekaboo of our focus fabric. Now we have a nice space for our number 2 fabric. So you could use a bigger print right here in this space. You just want to make sure that you keep your fabric number 3 more neutral if you're going to do that, so that it can keep the separation between 2 prints. We did that exact thing with our next kit. Let's check it out. Now we decided to go a little softer for this kit and pulled a Patriotic Floral, and I think it's beautiful.
It is pretty.
I mean, it is still in that red, white, and blue color theme, but we've really kept our fabrics soft and a little bit more muted to keep that kind of Americana look without being screamingly patriotic.
right.
I love that. That will be in our big block here, as well as our little 4 patches on the corner to create our peekaboos there. Now for our number 2, we picked a very pretty print to go here. We have all the same colors, our blues, our reds, our greens, and our leaves. And that is going to be in these spots here. Now this is a 1 block. It appears to be sashing, but it's just the way that it's put together. But it gives us that nice spot that will be separated with our number 3. So for our number 3, this is kind of a rusty red, which I really like a brick red or something is the way I think about it. It's going to go everywhere the blue is here. Now remember when we talked about the neutral being in the number 3 position when you have a print in the number 2? This is doing its job. We have our nice texture here so that our print of our number 2 and our focus will be separated.
I like it that number 2 acts like a quiet double focus.
Yes. I think that the picture says 1,000 words. We've got our print in our number 2 position and in our number 1, and that number 3 kind of separates it beautifully. And I love the little peekaboo of our focus fabric where it all comes together. Now for me, this is a quilt I would keep out all year long.
Oh yeah, you could do that.
I just think it's gorgeous. It has a little bit of that Americana feel, but it's just so pretty.
You know what it has is that look like, I want to cuddle up in this
Yes,
quilt.
absolutely.
Yes.
All right, the kit information on this is Floral Freedom, and it's our United pattern from Make It Patriotic.
Thank you for celebrating with us today, and we also want to thank you for your service as a quilter.
Our quilting family has big hearts, and we know that many of the quilts we showed today will be made and given to organizations like Quilts of Valor.
And if you would like to get more ideas for patriotic donation quilts, then be sure to watch the video that pops up. Happy quilting!